Hi, my name is Brooklyn Haug, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about my job shadow experience. I went to Elite Health and Fitness, and I shadowed physical therapists and a wound care specialist. My mentor was Dr. Tyler Snellings. Him and I started from 9 to 12, and then we took a break from 12 to 1 for lunch, and I came back and finished my last couple hours from 1 to 4. I was interested in Elite to begin with because my mom and dad own it, and my dad is also a doctor of physical therapy, so I've always just kind of had an interest in this field, and I wanted to check it out and just see what I thought. A description of what a physical therapist does is they treat patients by physical methods rather than by using drugs or surgery as their way to treat it. So they do a lot of running, walking, lifting. They'll use resistance bands. They'll use something called Graston, which I will explain later. They use traction and a bunch of different ways just to get their patients healed up. 3 activities that I observed and participated in that I thought were really cool was Graston, traction, and wound care. And I will tell you guys about that a little bit later once I finish the rest of the questions. The education that a physical therapist needs is they need to attend a 3-year DPT program, which is a 3-year Doctor of Physical Therapy program. Those programs are offered at both UMary and the University of North Dakota. My dad attended UMary and Tyler Snellings attended UND. And once you finish your schooling at whatever college you choose to go to, there is a lot of different things such as dry needling and Graston that require further certification that you need to do outside of college if you choose to do so. The low wages, $72,680, the median wage is $87,930, and the high is $107,000. And after experiencing this senior shadow project, I would consider a career in physical therapy because I really enjoyed seeing the patients progress from what they were to what they are now. And I just liked the thought of helping people, and I really enjoyed meeting a bunch of different people and hearing about their stories all day long. My favorite thing about the shadow was meeting new people, wound care, and Graston. And something that I didn't like as much was seeing the patients in pain. There was a patient who came in with dwarfism who had 2 total knee surgeries and a broken femur. So she is in quite a bit of pain when they were working on her. And it's just hard to see somebody uncomfortable because I just wish they were already better. For wound care, I got to see a truck driver and construction worker who had gotten cement in his boots, and the cement had worked its way under his skin and created really nasty infections on his ankles. I got to see a rotator cuff repair for their therapy, and I got to see an arm fracture patient. I got to see somebody who had an ACL and meniscus surgery that went wrong and ended up getting severely infected, and she no longer has a knee or kneecap, so she is learning how to live and walk again without a knee. And I got to see a man who came in for back pain, and he had a possible herniated disc. And yeah, I got to see a lot of cool things. Graston, which was one of the things that I thought was really cool. My dad brought this home for me to show in the video. It's a technique using stainless steel tools that physical therapists will use to repair tissues in that area and break up any scar tissue, and it restores blood flow. So they just apply a cream to your skin, and they just use these tools and they work them over the areas. And it can be painful, but for the most part, it's not too bad. Dr. Jordan Braun actually did it to my neck so I could see what it felt like. And they come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. This one is used for your thighs and your calves. And I got to see it used on the arm fracture patient. Dr. Tyler Snellings used this one on the patient who fractured his arm to break up some scar tissue in the area that was having a hard time healing. So yeah, I got to see a lot of really cool things, and I had a really good day. And I just hope that when you do your senior shadow project, you guys do something that you enjoy and you take a lot of information away from this experience, because it's really cool and we're really lucky that we get to take part in something like this. And yeah, thank you for watching.